What up guys and welcome to LOfitnez. I'm Lawrence. Today I'll show you how to do transitions with the side swing. Also how to do double side swing in slow motion. I'm making this video because of the request I got from my previous video on side swing. So if you haven't already seen that video, I advise you to pause this one right now, go back and check out that video. I'll link it down in the description below. So without further ado, let's get to it.
I'm awake with the flame in a hailstorm. I'm back in, I gotta have it. Everything to do with what you give to me.
Let's begin with the hands because they are essential to this move. Maintain a good body posture to look like a pro while you make this move. Let's use the right side of your body as an example. While moving both hands to your right side, the right hand remains below. Once you get to your right side, the right hand gradually rotates from the bottom to the top, making the left hand go below. It's that simple, guys. Repeat same things to your left side. It's that simple. Practice, and once you're comfortable with this move, let's add the rope. Doing this with the rope is very easy. You're basically repeating the same thing you just did without the rope. But the secret to this is, while rotating your hands with the rope, try to follow the flow of the rope, because as you make this move, the rope creates a kind of rhythm, and once you follow this rhythm, your flow shall be eminent. Doing the double side swing with the rope will be very simple if you practice the previous step very well. You have to follow the flow of the rope. While swinging the rope, it creates a kind of rhythm, so when you follow this rhythm, your movement shall be smooth and steady. Side swing adds slickness to your jump rope, making you look professional. What you shall do here is basically changing to a new trick after your side swing. As you can see from this video, I changed from boxer skip to the crossovers footwork, and that was after the side swing. You can also use this side swing to change from different styles to styles. Just watch this video and enjoy yourself. There you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, patient and right practice makes perfect. So, if you find any part of this tutorial challenging, let us know in the comment section. Subscribe to start skipping like a pro and hit the notification button so you don't miss out on our new contents. Remain beautiful, be handsome, stay fit, and most importantly, be healthy. Take care of yourself, guys. Enjoy.